We're stabilizing this little knot right here. You can lift your hand up. We're stabilizing, remember the little knot I told you about earlier when we were describing the whole matted hair that had the little hair strands hanging out, the little matted knot? So we're stabilizing it because I found a little leeway in here that was kind of loose. So we have one hand holding this area right here, this little knot right here, and then this, then that way I can get in there. Her hand is stabilizing, holding that there. And then we can kind of dig in and see as some of the strands are coming out in there. So once we get these out, we'll find out where this is going to lead us to. It was just a little dip behind the knot. I'm sorry, 1 second. It was just a little dip. There's the knot, but it was a little dip behind the knot that I found. But sometimes you don't see these things until you kind of start getting in and the hair starts to release little by little. So again, we're just finding a way in. We're probing in and seeing where it's going to lead us. So when we come back, I have some more good news to show you.